Hello and welcome. I've got here this Knaus Weinsberg Outlaw, and this thing here is going to cost 75,388 euros. I'm going to take you to the back. That's the very first thing I want to do, because what you might want from a vehicle like this is that. I don't mean the motorbike, I mean the large area at the back for actually carrying a something like a motorbike or anything else that you might need to carry for work or whatever. Maybe you're a tradesperson, you need to carry a lot of stuff around with you. Well, something like this, whilst offering a habitation area which you can live and wash yourself in and all the rest of it, but also you can carry stuff around in the back. So that is something. I think you could get two in there without any difficulty. And not knowing about motorbikes myself, somebody who knows about motorbikes would be able to say. This vehicle is a 630 centimetre long vehicle, and what I'll do is I'm going to come around showing you this one as well in a slightly different look to it. And now let's go inside. Right, so first thing you notice, it says here it's got an electrical soft close for the sliding door. Now obviously because of the size of that garage, it's going to affect how much height you've got in the bed. If you've got claustrophobia, then something like this clearly might not be the thing for you. Having said that, there's a window on one side. There's a window in the roof. Having now sort of been seeing somebody who suffers from claustrophobia, and I do appreciate the problems for others. On the left hand side we've got this storage area which hasn't been thought out, and this is the problem, is that okay, they put in these Kipo system, that's that black elastic thing, really good system, the Kipo system, and so you could stuff things down there, but at the end they didn't even think of doing that. We can get into the garage like that, easy access into the garage, and I hope it's easy access from the other way as well. Well, presumably that will work. And here we have the toilet. Now the toilet is it's small because there's not much room left, but what it is, it's very high because it's got an extra high roof on here. So standing height in this case is not going to be a problem for anyone. I think the standing height in there is 213 centimeters, if I remember rightly. We've got a little bit of storage down there. We've got a Vitrifrigo fridge. This is very similar to the 541 centimeter long campervans done by Knaus or Weinsberg. And there's the easy entry table. Completely pointless unless they put a sliding thing there. That would be, I see that would slide, that would work quite well on that. And storage up there, storage in the bulwark. Now, as a rule, I don't tend to like it, but this is slightly different. It's been raised, a raised roof, there's more space, and not only that, there's also a shortage of space for storing your non-garage stuff. So I think I can put up with that. So obviously it's a two-person van. I do get the impression though this is a two-person van which will be largely be used by one person. Yeah, we'll go and have a look in the other one as well now, so we can compare the two. You can sort of note the high roof. So Carabus 630 Meg Outlaw. This one's in a slightly different colour. It's also showing the possibility that you could actually put here inside there. You could have an extra bed to put in there as well. That would probably mean that the motorbike, however, wouldn't fit. Aha! No, it would fit, wouldn't it? Because you'd have that, the extra bed, okay, the slatted part would have to be the same, but the mattress, for example, you get a pneumatic mattress instead of that, which a pneumatic mattress, in my opinion, is far harder than, and they store really tiny space, so that would be a good idea, I think. So this thing here, 76,500, and I've got a slightly different layout here to colour scheme, and also we can see better here because I haven't got the plastic on. Bigger window in the roof for those who may have problems in the confined area. Though it's not really very confined. Well, having said, it's easy enough for me to say that because I don't suffer from claustrophobia. And well, so I might do in some circumstances, but not on this one. And storage at both sides. Right, in here you'll see that the toilet's the same, looks a bit better in here. There's the ladder to get up to the sleeping part, and through here we'll open this one up just to, and there's the bed. Ooh, it's rather tight though, isn't it? I think that's very tight. It's not impossible, of course, but I think that'd be quite difficult. I think you'd have to try and get in through the garage or something. Oh, I'm not so keen on that now I've seen it from this angle. Right, so inner is LED. I think the LED is dimmable as well. Storage up there. They've got a new, Knaus Group's got a new indicator for the electricity and the water. And you turn on the 12 volt from that thing here. So if you turn this off here, oh, the lights are supposed to go off, but okay, they've got an override on it for the trade fair. Good. There you go. So a number of people do ask me about a camper van for motorbike. There's one. There aren't many companies actually producing things like that, but there's another way of doing it, which is to have a rear bed which you can move up and down electrically, and that might have it gives more flexibility, of course, than one which is fixed as we have here. Anyway, I think I prefer the one that goes up and down electrically, actually. Of course, in my opinion, but I mean, I do like the solution here. There's a company which uses the Mercedes in, well, mind you, their vehicles are 300,000, but very, very nice. So, thanks very much for being here with me today and watching. This is the largest collection of motorhomes and campervans on the internet. So I upload every day at 21:15 my time. I live in Poland and in Germany. So for the moment, thanks for watching, and bye for now.